So two of the girls going on the sides. Sorry. And our little ones, come on, come out. Girls, space out. Shay, where are you? Go in the front, Kavai. Kale, move on the side. Move. Okay, right in. Okay, so this is called Mahina Ohoku, and this is our last number. And thank you to our musicians, Uncle Doug, Uncle Norman, and Uncle Raji for coming for you folks. Okay. After this week, the Halau takes a break until September when we come back to Kilohana Rec Center. So Uncle them are singing about Mahina Ohoku and that beautiful moon, the biggest star. Sorry. Mahina. Mahina. Looking up in the night. Now, hello. Out here. Mahina. Hoike, up in the sky. Not too fast, girls. Aiko Nani. You are so lovely. Kaholo. Don't forget 3 kaholos. 1, 2, 3. By the sea and the cliffs above. You and I. And we go play up on the hills. Kaholo. 3 kaholos now. 2 and 3. And the pali. Hello. That beautiful star is actually the moon. Enoho Nani. We sit so prettily in the heavens. Maholo. 3 kaholos. Mahina. The stars. Enoho Nani. Lava. Oh my God.